Amramp is the leading provider of modular wheelchair ramps, stair lifts, vertical platform lifts, and other accessibility solutions.
Brian and Leanne Jewett, we cover Vermont and Western Massachusetts. When I go out to see a customer, I'm not thinking about the sale, I'm thinking about what their needs are and what we can do to get them back into their house and make sure that the ramp functions as they need it.
Amramp's free estimate is quick and easy.
Usually before I run out, I will try to talk to them on the phone a little bit. We'll pull up their address on Google Street View so we can look at the house while we're talking to them. From that, I can usually get a rough idea of what they might need. Usually try to get out there that day or the next day. We get calls in a panic. We can usually run out there and get a ramp in a day or two.
You know, my own mother, I know how much it meant to her to be able to get out of the house. I mean, to be trapped in the house is just one of the worst things that can happen. And when she was able to have a ramp and be able to get out of the house on her own, it changes a person's life.
A lot of times people just really feel like we rescued them from a bad situation.
For more information, call 888-715-7598 or visit amramp.com.